Have you ever wished for a printer that can handle just about anything? Well, the DXZ A4 UV printer might just be what you need. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the DXZ A4 UV printer, an innovative machine designed for a variety of materials including acrylic, metal, leather, and more. This is not a commercial. It's a genuine evaluation to help you decide if this printer is right for you. First up, the upgraded white ink blending system that enhances your prints with a professional finish. It adds depth and vibrancy to every design. Next, let's talk about the L805 6-color printhead. This feature ensures stunning printing quality with a resolution of 2080 x 1400 dpi, which truly brings your images to life. Another great benefit is the built-in vacuum platform. It keeps your printing materials secure, preventing any movement or misalignment during the process. Plus, you get a complete package with this printer, including UV inks, a bottle holder, and software. Everything you need to get started immediately. However, it's important to note that this printer requires a bit of a learning curve, especially for beginners who may not be familiar with the technology. Also, while the printer is advertised for various surfaces, you might find limitations depending on the material's thickness and texture. Another drawback is that some users have reported that the automatic cleaning function can sometimes be inconsistent, requiring manual intervention. Finally, while the 2-year ink supply offsets costs, ongoing shipping for ink can add to your overall expense, so consider that when budgeting. In conclusion, the DXZ A4 UV printer is a versatile machine that delivers high-quality prints across different substrates. However, it's essential to weigh its learning curve and potential limitations against its many strengths. If you think this printer aligns with your creative needs, check out the link on screen and in the description for any available deals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest insights.